You on the record?
Not yet. Okay. You're good.
Good afternoon, folks. This is a bond hearing this afternoon. I'm going to ask you please to all listen. Mr.
Powell.
Mr. Powell, I'm going to give you some instructions, sir. I'm going to give all this to you verbally, and then I'm going to give you some instructions in writing so that you understand what needs to be done and what has to be done. I want everybody to stay cool. This is not a comfortable time for anybody in this courtroom, so I want everybody to be respectful. We're going to try to get through with this thing quickly and hope that everybody will be okay when this is over. Mr. Powell, you want to stand up here, or if you want to sit down, you're certainly welcome to. Mr. Powell, this is a bond hearing. It's not your court date. I'm going to give you some instructions, as I said earlier, so that you understand what your circumstances are. It's your requirement to be in court when your court date is. You have the right to a trial by jury. You have the right to a lawyer. I'm going to appoint a lawyer for you if you don't have your own lawyer. I'm going to ask you to understand that you need to be where you need to be when your court date is, if you're placed on bond. I'm going to read some charges to you and ask you please to listen. Who's got the warrants? Mr. Powell, sir, on the warrant number 2019-AO4207-00725, sir, you've been charged with attempted murder. On warrant number 00721, you've been charged on another charge of attempted murder. On charge number 00722, sir, you've been charged with another attempted murder. Those are concerning 3 different people who were present when this occurred. On warrant number 00727, sir, you were charged with possession of a weapon during a violent crime. On warrant number 00724, sir, you were charged with attempted murder. On warrant number 00726, sir, you were charged with murder. Y'all want to have a seat, or there's not enough seats? Okay. Want to say to you, thank you for being here. Want to thank everybody for being here. We'll get through this as quickly as we can. Is your mom here or anybody here? Just you here by yourself? Okay. Mr. Powell, on all the charges that I just read to you, I'm going to deny bond, which means you'll be here till your court date or till your lawyer makes application to have bond set. Do you have a lawyer, or do you want me to appoint a lawyer? All right, I need the oh, I've got the paperwork. Yeah. Would you uncuff him so he can sign the paperwork, please? Mr. Powell, you also have a right to a preliminary hearing. Preliminary hearing is where you ask the judge to review the evidence against you to see if the case goes forward. You only have 10 days to make this request. It will be my suggestion to you that you may choose to sign it today.
Yes, sir.
And then tell your lawyer that you've requested it. You and your lawyer can decide later on whether you want to have it or not.
Yes, sir.
But if you don't sign it within 10 days, you cannot have it. you have any questions you want to ask me?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any questions from this side? Detective Vaughn, thank you for being here. Good. Melissa, thank you. Thank you,
I
sir.
have a question.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you
Talk
put
to
in my
me.
face and
Talk.
tell me
No,
why?
ma'am. Talk to me. Talk to me.
I just want to know why.
Well, you're going to have your opportunity to do that. This is just a preliminary hearing, and you're going to be given some notice when you go to court, when there is the preliminary hearing, and you can ask those questions at that point, okay? Anything else from anybody?
This is the information you told me about your rights for the first
I try to check them all, please.
Sorry.
time.
All right, have him send it to us.
I'm sorry.
I forgot to ask, is this his correct address? The budget.
Sorry.
Mr. Powell, is your correct address, sir, 506 Mortar Drive? Is that correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
And that's where you live?
No, sir.
Where do you get your mail?
506 Mortar Drive.
I'm
If I
sorry?
would be mailed, it'd be 506 Mortar Drive.
Okay, that's your mailing address. All right, so thank you. Is it-
Hold on, one more paper you gotta sign.
One more, he needs to sign that initial it on the back. Okay. Anything else from you? Thank you, Detective Vaughn. Appreciate you being here. Thank the media for being here. Appreciate it.
Did you write that on there?
Here, and all it is, it says same thing, instructional, general session 4.